Hi everybody, I want to welcome you to the channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. If you have been here before, you know I got bugs. Now, if you have been here before, you know that we do all kinds of stuff around the property. I'm not scared to tackle any job. Today we're taking down some birch trees. It's been a really sad year for the birch trees and we've lost a number of them, mostly up on the hill there. So I pulled up the tractor. I already took one down already and I'll show you guys the other birch trees. All right, so this big beauty right here, who gave us lots of shade in the summer, it's gone. It's really unfortunate. This is a pretty large tree, as you can see. And then over here we have a couple more. We lost these this year as well. These two guys right here in this big V. Those two are gone. As well as I just cut one over here. You can see down there, the remnants. So I cut this guy right here. And we still have this one here. And behind here, that guy right there. We lost that one this year as well, really sad. That one we lost a number of years ago, but the birds like it, so I'm going to leave it up. Super thankful I have a cleanup crew. We got that one down. Pretty simple. Nothing too complicated with that one. So this one will be a bit more complicated because it leans in the wrong direction. So I cut two for now, and I'm going to show you guys my Yardworks Canadian Tire log splitter. Here's what we got so far. And we're going to be splitting this today. So this was the cheapest log splitter the Canadian Tire had. I forget what I paid for this at the time. I think it was $2.99 or $1.99, something like that. It was really cheap. Did not come with the stand, so the stand was another $75. I don't know if they expect you to cut wood on your knees, but it is the cheapest one they had, and it'll still split logs this size, no problem whatsoever. The thing I like about it is it splits them. The thing I don't like about it, it's two-hand operations. You have to hold this button and pull the lever. A little bit of a pain in the butt, and it doesn't go very far. It only pushes about up to here, but besides that, it does a pretty good job, and I'll show you guys how it works. This wood is super wet. Soak, soak, soak. And we keep this birch bark for starting fires. It works really well. Notice it comes all the way back when you're done. I don't like that because it slows it down a lot. But besides that, it's got the power to cut these things. And that's where it stops. So if these were dry, they'd be popping like nothing. I'm just gonna continue this pile and you guys can watch. There's a longer one. This is a standard size right here, and 16-inch. We're gonna see how it works on this one. Yeah, a bit smaller usually. I don't think this stuff will be ready to burn for next year. Just to let you guys know, I am no chainsaw expert. Actually, cutting trees kind of scares me. So I'm taking my time. I'm being careful. Some of the larger ones, like that big one over there, here I'll show you. I'm probably going to. All right, can't flip the camera. So I'm probably going to maybe try and sling the tractor to it and then pull it this way. It is leaning this way, so I should be all right. But again, I'm nervous. Not a chainsaw guy. Watch lots of videos on how to cut trees, but stick around. Maybe something exciting will happen. Well, one of two things is going to happen here. This is going to be an amazing fail that's going to be captured on camera, or this is going to work. So what I've done is tied, well, tied a rope as high as I can get with that bent ladder, and you can see it's leaning towards that way, and that would be all kinds of nasty if it fell there, crush some stuff. So I'm going to put as much pressure as I think those ropes can handle with this come along I got over there. And while I have the pressure on there, I'm going to notch it. So I've got this wrapped around the bottom of that tree. I'm going to go over there. I'm going to notch it because it can fall anywhere. Rather it not fall here because that's my septic tank. This is the bed here. So if it could fall here, that would be fantastic. So I'm going to go notch it, and I'm going to start pulling on this a little more, and then we're going to see what happens. And you get to witness it right here. I think that was a pretty good 3 or 4 hours of wood cutting. Probably have a cord and a half there. Pleased with that. I'll be ready to burn by the fall, I'm sure, dried out, maybe even by middle of December sometime. But hope you enjoyed watching me cut trees. I don't know if you did or not, but I don't know if it's any fun, but it was safe, and I did it. And I didn't get hurt, and I didn't hurt anybody else, and I didn't damage anything, which is quite unusual, to be honest. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And remember that if I can do this, anybody can.